right up our destination. Nå var det fint. Kaffe på kanna og varme på ved bastuen og det er god stemning. Kom igjen! Ikke vent på at det smeller! Nå skal vi ta torsken.
Valente, Jørgen.
Hul i magen. Restaurant.
Ja.
Let's go.
Vil du ha det i noen rekkefølge, eller? Skal jeg bare...
Da har vi begynt med sport.
Ja.
Ski. Today we are starting here at Goldfish, preparing the boat for our 3-week trip. Our plan is to head north of the Arctic Circle and to have Lofoten and Lyngen as our playground. The boat leaves on Friday. Today is Wednesday. And we're going through all the equipment, making sure the boat is ready. We are not really sure what we're meeting. If there's spring weather like today or winter storms like we know northern Norway can offer. Today we just make sure that the bases, the equipment, the boat, everything is ready for the truck on Friday. And on Monday it starts. What I thought we would start with is to put together the safety kit that we don't use, with the stuff that we don't use every day. It's a kit that I build in the start of each season and bring with me in all the bigger trips. Sea anchor, and you have to fix something when you're dead in the water. Sideways in the waves, it's not a fun position to be in. I always bring a separate rope for that one, like a thin, light line. We have a safety line, a throwing line. Easy to throw 20-30 meters. And also, obviously, the first aid kit. It's always good to have a headlamp. And these are some new clamps we found. Haven't tried them before. So I hope that maybe we can use them when if we find some skiing possibilities or whatever activity we found. So
should we bring some of the old ones as well, so we're not...
you're so conservative.
Yeah, but...
I have all my faith in this one. But I bring 2 though.
I bring a few in my pocket.
Okay. And then, did we talk about the life raft? This is not a proper ISO-approved raft. This is a smaller one, a simpler one, like a small raft with a roof on for 4 people. So my philosophy is that it's better to have a raft that you do bring instead of having a big raft at home. We have crew jackets for the crew that were joining us on this trip. So instead of bringing extra patrons like launch mechanisms, I pack extra jackets. You forget your jacket at the restaurant or you lose it somewhere or whatever, you need a couple extra. Whatever you do, if you go into the mountains or on the ocean, it's communication is the most important. A VHF in a low boat has only eye of sight range, right? So what I have is a personal beacon, which is always strapped to my vest. The advantage with having a beacon is that it continues to transmit while you are doing other stuff, right? You have like lost some people in the water, you issue the beacon. Instead of calling on the VHF, Mayday, 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 you can start helping people, you can start whatever procedure you need to do. And the beacon is just continuing to transmitting Mayday for you. All right. You have a little bit of a basic tool, safety equipment, and ropes and stash. I think that will cover us for what we're doing. I don't bring any, I haven't packed any filters or any mechanical stuff. In this boat we have a Volvo, and the coverage for Volvos in north of Norway is great. So we will get whatever parts we need if we have any mechanical problems. Should we try to assemble the ski rack? All right, so I bought just some standard car racks from Thule, and I thought that we would try to mount them on the boat.
Okay.
So we have a secure way because we're shipping all the skis and equipment with the boat. So they have to sit properly when the boat is on the road, but also they're gonna be sitting on the boat for all of our adventure.
Yeah.
We'll see.
It looks really good.
I'm interested to see if all the skis end up in the bottom of
Yeah.
each other.
Yeah.
The vertical forces.
It's a little bit too good to be true that this will work on the first shot.
You think?
Yeah, I think.
We planned this for at least 5 minutes, so my expectations is 100%. Bulletproof first time. For the dip.
Da hele oppe.
All right, let's try. Let's see. The bindings. We haven't thought of the bindings. Oh,
No, we're okay. We're okay. We're okay.
right.
Yeah.
It's gonna fit.
Nah,
Or the lower bindings on this one.
Yeah.
it's actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's make this
We're
one.
good.
I keep them like that and put that one in. Fuck
Voila.
yeah!
That's pretty
Whoa.
awesome.
Bra, Jørgen.
Straighten them a little bit.
Impressive.
Take them down a little bit back and a little bit up here.
Should we get the last couple as well?
Yeah, we can have the small one as well.
Ja, det ble jo overraskende
Ja, det ble dritbra.
bra.
Martin hadde ikke noe tro på meg da jeg kom her i dag. Det hørte jeg.
Ja,
Syns ikke at det der var noen god plan.
nei, altså,
Det hadde vært en tur og kjøpt noen gravemaskindeler og noe greier. Da hadde ikke dra på.
det er high-end engineering.
We are now exiting the port of Son, and we're just going through here over to Moss to get the boat lifted onto the truck. Everything is packed, everything is ready. So just this little transport leg, and we're ready for heading north. We are in Moss with Robert. He takes care of all the boats we have in storage. And this is a truck that's going all the way to Bodø. So, and the funny guy there, that's Bjørn. He's driving.
Hva?
Er du klar for en ny tur?
Hæ?
Er du klar for en ny tur?
Ja visst, jeg er alltid klar for tur, jeg,
Ja, det er
vet
bra.
du. Men det var litt kort, da.
Kort, ja.
Ja, det Bodø er jo
Ja, er ikke det
ingenting.
like langt til Rivieraen som til Bodø? Er ikke det?
Jo, det er for så vidt det, men for så vidt litt spennende der oppover til den veien, for det skal jo være mye snø og ting
Ja,
og
på
tang.
lørdag var det mye vær, var det ikke det?
Vi skulle jo aldri ha kjørt, vet du, hvis jeg skjønner på. Men vi kommer jo
Men vi
frem.
har jo rett mann på saken, da.
Ja, det er korrekt. Det
Ja.
er korrekt. Det er korrekt.
What we're doing here is we suck vacuum in the tube, in the sponsons on the boat. They've made sure that no of the patches are folded, and they will be as good as new when we arrive. And now it's narrow, so it fits on the truck. Also, he's winterizing the engine, so if the trucks get stuck over the mountain or something, the engine doesn't freeze up and gets destroyed. We're all set. Let's go to Bodø and see what happens. Nei, de er jo nordlendinger, så de står jo klare, de.